just drinking a beer. This is Rosie. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. I'm doing Rosie's makeup. And she's drinking a beer. And I'm drinking my little wine. Cheers. We're going to a game.
Okay.
But I'm going to do 5 minutes touch up. You already have. What do you have on?
I have concealer, powder, bronzer, some shimmer, eyeshadow, and liner.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add color in the crease right here. I'm going to start with your eyes because that'll be the most impactful.
Okay.
I'm just going to go with Morphe. Let's see, we're going to do this really pretty shimmer color, illustrated. All right, so right here in the crease, you can feel it kind of going up and in there. So you just have to bring it up higher.
Okay.
Because you're bringing it kind of low.
Yeah, I just kind of follow the crease.
Yeah, so bring it up to into the brow bone a little bit more.
Yeah, no, I can feel it.
And that makes a big difference. And it could be any color here.
I'm always scared to change colors.
Oh no, this is good. This doesn't have too much pigment where it's like really crazy, but it just lifts the eye. Yeah, so...
See, I don't go that high.
Yeah, you gotta go that high.
I try to stay away from that bone.
Oh no, it's good because it opens up. It
No,
kind of lifts your eye.
I see the difference.
Okay, now we're gonna get a matte color to go underneath your brow. So we're gonna do...
Under my brow? Okay.
So custom is gonna go right here. It's actually a little dark. But it's pretty. Hello? Yes, it's Emily. This is just neutralizing everything. Just add. So I'm gonna add one more light color, which is the Inglot Light.
Hi, Mimi.
Hey. I'm doing. Look at her difference in her eye makeup. So now we're gonna add a pop of color right in here.
Where?
So right, like right there.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna do a pretty shimmery. So we're gonna do Creativity. This is just gonna pop right here. So this is gonna just be like a little pop of color right here.
Just a pop.
I like this because it just adds a little bit more color in there, so it just looks like you have a little bit more going on. But I like what you have on. This is just adding a little depth into your eye a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to do a little eyeliner on the bottom. The eyeliner on the bottom, I'm just gonna do a smoky Sephora. Look up at the ceiling. And this one I'm gonna just, I like this because it gives a little shimmer. Close your eye. And I'm gonna place a little right here. I'm gonna just like blend, look up a little. Blend it right there. And then just do that.
Yeah, I just try to use powder.
That looks really good.
I look like a different person.
No, you don't. Okay, now we're gonna do your eyebrows.
No, they're waiting for you.
They're drinking.
They're drinking.
We're drinking because it's too expensive to drink at the Kings game.
Yeah.
Your eyebrows. So hold this up. Can you see?
Oh, God.
I know. So hold it right there.
Gotta do it. Okay.
So your eyebrow is a little too short. I'm gonna pull it out a little bit more. And then up here, it's a little too cut. So I'm gonna round it out a little bit more.
Okay.
Just add a little bit more fullness to it. Rosie's eyebrows are like, it's so challenging for you.
They're chola.
They're so thin.
They're so thin.
No, I know that. And I don't make them thin. They don't even grow. They grow in length, but not like anywhere else.
So you have to just add a little bit more up here and then down here. And then I'm gonna brush it out.
I just do powder.
Oh, that's fine, but just bring the color out more. So like what you're doing is you're not filling in this end, which shortens it.
Yeah.
I use eyeshadow.
Yeah.
No, I use a
So take a look at your eyes.
I use a Tarte powder.
So go like this. Okay. So when you're shaping your brow, put the pencil this way. See where it goes to the edge of your eye? That's where it should end.
Oh, it's too much work.
Well, you're going right here.
No, I just fill in where the hair is.
Yeah, so just end it a little bit more. Just bring it down a little bit more. But that looks really, it's a difference.
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to add more mascara. You need a little bit more mascara. Okay, so now we're going to add mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to share this with you because you're my sister. Look down. Just keep your eyeball and your eye down. So I'm going to lift up and I'm going to just add color in here. Like you need a little bit more lift. There we go. So now we're going to do, your foundation looks fine. I just want to do more bronzer and blush. Okay, so now we're going to do, I love this, it's the Smashbox. And we're going to do a bronzer and a blush.
Okay.
So this bronzer right here.
Okay, I did a lot of bronzer, just so you know.
Okay, I'm going to do a lot more. Right here, we're going to put a lot more. And then we're going to place it right here. So then it just warms you up. You don't need a lot. I'm just adding a little bit more. And then right here. So anytime you have like light neck, always just add a little bit more bronzer right here. I do it all the time. So Rosie's my sister. I think she's just, has the beer hit you yet?
It's getting there.
That's pretty. Okay, and so I just added a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't even, like, it's not crazy dramatic.
Yeah, it's just a little. So now I'm going to add a little bit of blush. And the blush is just going to go right here.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. All right, that looks good. We're going to just do a little lip liner.
Oh, no.
Just on top.
Okay.
She swears. Okay, so right here. Start here and lift it up and then bring it like out a little bit more. All I'm doing is just adding a little edge. It's not a dark shade, it's just filling it in a little bit more.
Okay.
Lip liner is always like an extra step.
I don't own a lip liner.
Oh, this
I don't either.
this one's a KKW and it is in Nude 1. I like this color
No, I
because
like
it's
it too.
really natural.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
So it's extra. Like it really does fill in more. I mean, if it probably.
Are you going to do the other half too?
Yes, I'm gonna do the other half. But okay, so I think that's it. We got it all. So what I'm gonna do is take a picture of you just head on
Okay.
with the half done and half not, and then I'm going to just record, but I'm gonna touch up the other half. It'll take 5 minutes to do, but
Okay.
this is it. I think basically we added a lot more color up here, a pop there, brow extended it, and then blush, bronzer, lips. God, we did everything.
Yeah.
Yay! And that only took like 5 or 10 minutes. So, all right, now I'm gonna, you could say whatever you want because here on I'm gonna like mute out the rest of the video. So if you
Okay.
need to gossip, Emily's here. She could gossip too. All right, all right, so I'm Christine, your beauty expert. Thanks for watching and letting me do my sister's makeup. It's so cute. This is her first time on video. Okay, so now I'll mute it out.
Okay.
And then I will just finish up.
Yeah, you need to do the other side.
Uh-huh. Oh, I gotta take a picture.
So, when Alex got in the car, I thought my makeup looked good.
I know.
He's like, oh, look at you. You got all kinds of, you're all glittery and shiny and stuff. And I go, why don't you just say I look pretty? And then anyways, well, now I'm going to look like.
You look all shiny and stuff.
I know.
That's a guy's point of view. Okay, so let's see.
Okay, so I hate taking pictures because I can't
Just
see.
close your eyes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so close your eyes.
Look.
It looks really good with the glasses on because you could see a
Well, my
little
eyes
light.
are smaller now.
Yeah, it magnifies it.
But right here you see a lot more white, and over here you see the warmth. Okay, so now look here.
5 minutes, he said.
That looks good, Rosie. I love it. Let me get closer.
Smile.
Yeah, you can smile now. That looks so good. Okay, 5 minutes. Let me do the other side.
Yeah, you
You
have
can
5
take
minutes.
your glasses off. Oh. Rosie. You're so funny.
I'm so
You
lazy.
could drink while we were doing it.
I'm so lazy when it comes to makeup. I'm just.
You don't have to do
I
that.
thought I put a lot of bronzer on, just so you know.
You did put some, but not a lot. It's good though, because you just were going here. It's not like you're going.
See, and I'm super pale, so like it kind of like the when you did Daisy's makeup. I just.
Oh, Daisy's makeup, she's so fair.
Mm-hmm.
That girl's extra fair. Go ahead and take a drink.
See, now I got a buzz.
Oh, good. Now she's got a buzz.
Mm-hmm.
And then this right here. The brown just doing the edge, not too much.
It's my good brow, my left one.
You don't even put a lot there.
I thought I put a lot.
Actually, you do have a higher, you have more. Oh shit, excuse me.
Bronzer.
The Uber's here. Okay, the Uber's here. He said 5 minutes. Let's go.
Bronzer and
Okay.
I'm gonna do the blush.
Okay, let's go. Sorry.
I even got on my face.
He's like, the Uber's